Game launch blocked by the reshade64 library DLL. I'm Sophie Chen, a senior Windows support engineer, and I'll help you fix your rendering pipeline so you can get back to the game. Access the official reshade64 library diagnostic resource now for a faster system configuration. This is the reshade64 library, the 64-bit implementation of the reshade post-processing injector. It intercepts the Direct3D or Vulkan graphics pipeline to inject custom shaders, color correction, ambient occlusion. Because it hooks into active memory, it is a primary target for Windows Defender false positives. If missing, the reshade overlay will not appear, and the game will launch with vanilla visuals. Now that we've covered what the file does, let's jump into our first fix. reshade64 is commonly utilized in game graphics and audio processing routines. To resolve the error, install the Microsoft DirectX end-user runtime to restore legacy DirectX-related DLLs, then update your GPU drivers to ensure full OpenCL and OpenGL support. If the setup package didn't provide a resolution, we need to look under the hood at how your system handles current session configurations. A standard reboot clears out temporary memory conflicts and gives the Windows loader another chance to properly register the reshade64 library component during startup. Before you restart, bookmark this video or hit the like button. It makes it much easier to find this tutorial in your history so you can pick up exactly where we left off. Restart unsuccessful, no problem. Let's jump straight into step 3. Remember to pause the video if you need to double-check your inputs. If you are still seeing the error after a reboot, it indicates that the application's local file structure is damaged, so you should perform a clean reinstallation by deleting the program's hidden app data folders. This ensures that old configuration files are not blocking the new version of your DLL from being deployed by the official installer. Why are we doing this? Well, third-party libraries are often cached in temporary directories, and a clean wipe is the only way to force the software to recognize a fresh library file. Before you wrap up the repair, let's ensure you're following the safest path for your system. Protect your PC by avoiding the temptation of quick manual fixes for reshade64 library. Most free DLL websites are optimized for ad revenue rather than safety, often leading users to download harmful or obsolete software. To ensure your environment stays properly configured, a professional diagnostic can help verify that your library references remain intact. If library alerts are present, the system resource below offers informational guidance on managing reshade64 library dependencies. If your workstation is back online and reshade64 library is running smoothly, please consider subscribing. It's the best way to support our mission of providing safe, reliable solutions.